intentional. God is intentional and nothing happens by accident. The other thing that activates me is that where she said that where is it? Oh my God. Before and you just see that you've depreciated in a very long way, and the next thing you should think of is, oh my god, how will I awaken this faith? Mashallah, mashallah. And the most interesting part is all these words. Let me read it. I love it. Let's read about love. It is the reason there is something instead of nothing. Oh my God, I love love. It is from the soil of love that all the existence blossom into being. Love is why we are here. Yeah. Love is why you are holding these words in your hands. Yeah. Speaking them on your tongue. Yeah, as I am reading them right now. Hearing them with your ears as I'm hearing it from what I'm reading. This book did not call you or find you because of who you are, but because of how loving God is. Allah Akbar. MashaAllah. Should we continue? Let's continue. The words I will offer you are not new, but I do believe many of those teachings of love and mercy have been forgotten. Islam does not have to change. We just need to return to the spiritual heart and soul of its timeless mercy of love, of its timeless message of love, mercy, peace, freedom, justice, and unity. Although this book is about Islamic spirituality and practice, I believe God is bigger than any one religion or philosophy. I chose Islam as my faith, but I offer you these words from the Quran not to change you, but to remind you how much you are loved by God. Allah Akbar. MashaAllah. Allah loves you. Allah loves me. MashaAllah. I believe that just as wisdom teachings from other faiths have enriched my relationship with God, the deeper dimensions of Islam may also inspire you, regardless of what path you choose to walk. I pray these words awaken your heart to fall deeper in love with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. MashaAllah. God, Elohim, Yahweh, or whatever you call it. Oluwa, Olorun, MashaAllah. Whatever you choose to call the supreme eternal being, who has infinite names, but only one exists. Allah Akbar. MashaAllah. Here is where I'm going. This book, actually, from what I have read, because I am not just reading the content inside, I have read the front cover and the back cover, every content of the book. I have read the praise for the book and everything like that. From what I have deduced from this book is that this book is not just speaking to the Muslim alone. This book speaks to everybody in other religion. Like, it's so beautiful that I feel like, mashallah, like when I got to realize that it was a woman that wrote this book, I got more excited. The reason is because, of course, I have many Islamic books, but this one seems to be bigger, And I feel like, okay, mashallah, what did she write inside? No, what is this writer talking about? All along that I've been seeing this book around, hearing about this book, I didn't know that it was a woman that wrote it. But when I got to know that it was a woman that wrote it, oh my God, man, I got more happy, I got more happy and excited, and I felt like, oh my God, I'm going to share it with the world. But then I just got started. And I've not gone far. But then I tell you, I love this part, the journey from fear to love. Okay, my journey from fear to love. When I just saw this heading, I felt like, oh, this is me. I believe everybody have fear, we fear, and sometimes that fear leads us to beautiful thing eventually. So let's get going. Don't worry, I will gist you every in and out of whatever I learned from this book. Okay, it's not that expensive, and I got it from Iman Publication Group. Yeah, Iman Publication Media or something. Okay, so I got some other books too. Don't let me refill them yet. So as you are seeing this one are for motivational books. But since I needed it for my book reading, so I have to just steal it from one of the books around. So thank you so much for listening. Don't worry, let's keep going with the secret of the fine love. Let's go back to Allah and enjoy our love with Him. MashaAllah. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.